Hey everybody, it's Mrs. Klosky. Welcome back. This is our second video in the FontSampler application graphical user interfaces unit lesson. And if I'm repeating myself, I apologize because I feel like I'm in the movie Groundhog Day because of this interesting coronavirus time where every day seems like the day before. But I hope you are all doing well, and let's continue in our development of this app. We're going to work on the FontStyle panel, which is all developed except for a portion of it. This, as a reminder, and you can see here it extends JPanel, which is a component that holds other components. I'm adding 2 checkboxes to this FontStyle panel. But I'm setting up a grid layout with 3 rows and 1 column. The first 2 rows are going to hold my checkboxes, and the 3rd row is just going to be a placeholder row because when I was developing this, it lined up better with the panel to its west, which is the font size panel, which has 3 rows as well. So I just thought that it looked better on the screen. I'm adding a title to the border. I'm adding these checkboxes to the panel. Then what we need to write is how to communicate outside of this class. And we're going to do that by returning the font style. So I'm going to declare, it says that it's returning an int. I'm going to return a variable called style. And that is going to be equal to the default font. So that would be font.plain, the plain constant. You'll notice when it came up, it said that it was an integer value. So it turns out there are 3 constants. One is plain, one is bold, and one is italics. You add them all together and return that value, and that will be the style format for a particular font. So I'm going to say if my checkbox CHK bold happens to be is selected, then I am going to, I think I'm doing Python here, so I always forget to put on my parentheses. And then I'm just going to add on to this style. So I'm going to say style plus equals font dot bold. And then if, do this again, CHK italics dot is selected. And it may be just italic, not plain. There we go. And then we'll say style plus equals font dot italic. And then we'll just return the style. Okay, I'm going to save this file, and that should be all we need here. Now let's pop over, switch over to font.GUI. Let's start back up at the top. All right, so I still have all of these things that I had before, but now I can uncomment my font style panel. I have not yet developed the font face panel or the color panel. All of this is good. I'm going to instantiate my style panel. Again, haven't done font or color. Looks like I have a words panel, a button panel, and then this middle panel that has a layout set for 1 row, 2 columns, and I've only developed at this point the style panel, so I'll uncomment that. I need to add this middle panel, conveniently named middle, because we're going to put it in the border layout center. Okay, and pack visible true, making the button panels fine, action performed. So similar to what we did here, I'm just going to duplicate this line. I'm going to say style. I'm going to do style panel. And I'm going to get style. Okay. And then right here, instead of using font.plain, we're going to use style. Now it's time to save this, give it a quick run. Okay, it ran first time. Here's that placeholder row that has nothing in it. Spring break was not awesome. So let's just type have a great day. And I'll go medium. I'll set the font. Okay, so medium font. Now I'm going to bold it. Okay, now I'm going to italicize it. Now I'm going to unbold it. And then I'm going to unitalicize it. And there we go. Everything seems to be working up to this point. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!